Okay, now I will show you how this jackhammer is working. I already split all these places. I throw so many rocks using this jackhammer, only jackhammer, to reach the engine. Okay, you see? It's a nice one. YN27 rock drill. After that, you have to use this metal. Okay, choose a nice place. You have to choose a nice position. After first, you have to take out the YN27 rock drill. Okay. Now let's throw. Now let's throw the rock. Big rock, you see? You have to insert some rocks inside here, but there's not any rock. Okay, it will come back no more. Okay. Let's catch it. Another leg. Let's use another position. Use another position too. Okay. You can use our leg now. We are close to the main vein now.